are doing good. Yes? So we are into the topic of time and work, and we are already done with 7 sessions, and in this session we are going to solve questions based on the same rule that we used in the previous 2 videos. Actually, I can merge it up into a single video, but if I do so, you may not get a clear idea and you might feel confused. That's why I split it up into 3 different sessions. Okay, so those who have missed previous sessions, I'll provide you the link in the description box so that you can click on it and watch it. So come, let's directly get into questions. Yes? So let's start with the first question. So those who have watched my previous session can solve it by yourself, because this is a part of that variety of question. Just for brushing up, I have bought it. Okay. So let's start. A contractor employed 210 men to build a house in 60 days. So how will we draw? We'll use a line diagram. Okay. 210 men in 60 days. Right? Yes. After 12 days, he was joined by 70 more men. After 12 days, he was joined by 70 more men, means first it was 210, now plus 70, right? Yes. Our question is, in how many days will the remaining work be finished? So, this is what we'll have to find. Just think, initially 210 men were there, and 60 days they will have to complete the work, in which 12 days they are done. Now after 12 days 70 more men join, so in how many days they will complete the work? So you will use the actual value to find the answer. So actually this remaining work should be completed by 210 men in how many days? 60 minus 12, right, which is equal to 48 days. So here it should be 48 days. This is nothing but M1 D1, which is equal to M2 D2, right? So M2 here is now 70 more men added. So 210 plus 70 is nothing but 280 into D2. D2 is what we will have to find. So question mark, or you can keep it as X. So 0, 0 cancel. So 14 times 2 table, 24 times 2 7s are 14, 2 12s are 24, then 7 3s are 21. So 3 into 12 is 36. So X is equal to 36. So how many days they will complete? With 36 days they will complete the remaining part of work. Who will complete? 210 plus 70 men will complete the remaining part of work. Clear? Yes. Let's go with the second question. Okay. A contractor employed 30 men to do a piece of work in 38 days. 30 men to do a piece of work in 38 days. Yes. After 25 days, he employed 5 more men and the work was finished 1 day earlier. After 25 days, he employed 5 more men, means 30 plus 5, right? Yes. And the work was finished 1 day earlier. That means the total number of days is 38 days minus 25 days, which is equal to 13 days. Actually, this work should be completed in 13 days by 30 men, right? Now 5 more men added, and they say they complete the work 1 day earlier. That means 35 men completed the work in 12 days. Correct? Previously 30 men completed in 13 days. Now 35 men completed in 20 days. This is actually assumption that in 13 days they should complete. Okay? And this is what they said. 35 men completed it in 1 day before, means 13 minus 1, which is 12 days. Clear? How many days he would have been behind if he had not employed additional men? That is, additional men is 5 men, right? They are asking, if there is no additional men, in how many days they would have completed? You might think here, see, directly answer is there, 13 days. This is an assumption that 30 men should complete it in 13 days, right? So they are asking actually how many days they are behind if they haven't added 5 more men. Okay, so how will you do? 35 into 12 is equal to 30 into x. Correct? So taking x 30 to this side, or you can cancel like this. 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 6 2s are 12. So x is equal to 14 days. Yes? But they are asking how many days he would have been behind if he had not employed additional men. So actually, see, 13 days the work should be completed, but it is completed by 14 days. So 1 day extra they are taking. So the answer is 1 day. Clear? So let's go with the next variety of question. Yes, a contractor undertakes to build a wall 1000 meter long in 50 days. So 50 days, 1000 meter wall. Don't confuse meter with men, okay? So I have written it as meter itself. Yes, he employs 56 men, but at the end of 27 days, he employs 56 men, but at the end of 27 days, he finds that only 448 meter of wall is built. 448 meter of wall is built. How many extra men the contractor employs so that the wall is completed in time? So under previous question we saw in how many days they will have to complete. Here they are asking how many extra men should be added to complete the work on time, because they are lagging here. Okay, so just tell me, this is the total work you will have to consider, 1000 meter. In that 448 is completed. So remaining is 1000 minus 448. Clear? Which is 552 meters should be completed. On time means total time is 50. In that 27 days is already completed. So the remaining is 23 days. We'll have to find men. How many men should be added? Okay, they didn't ask total men. If they ask for total men, you will give that value. Here they ask for how many extra men should be added. Okay, so how will you do? You'll go with the M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2 formula. Okay, so M1 here is 56 men. Initially 56 men were there. D1 is how many days? 27 days. Which is equal to, here work is also there. So by W1 by W2. Work here is 448 meters. That is what they have completed. Yet to complete 552 meters. Okay. And M2 you can take it as 56 plus X, or you can directly take it as X, and finally you can subtract and find the answer. Okay. X into D2 23. Okay. Clear? D2 23 days they'll extra days they have to complete. Okay, so when you cancel you can find it as 56. Here is 8 times. Okay, and 23 into 24 times is 552. Then here you can cancel. 8 3s are 24. Okay, so X is equal to 27 into 3, right? So X is equal to 81. So this is total number of men now. Here 81 men. But already there were 56 men. So 81 minus 56. Because we need only how many extra men were added. So 81 minus 56 is 5. 25 extra men should be added in order to complete the work on time. Clear? Yes. Now we'll go with the same variety of question. Try to solve it by yourself. Okay. A contractor employed 30 men to complete the project in 100 days. 30 men to complete the project in 100 days. Yes. But later on he realized that just after 25 days only 20% of the work has been completed. 25 days, only 20% of work was completed. Okay, actually see 100 days, in that 25 days is over, in which only 20% is completed, means obviously in order to complete on time you need additional person to do the work, right? Yes, that is what they are asking. To complete the work on the scheduled time, how many men he has to increase. So men is the question mark. How many he will have to increase? Total men they are not asking. So listen to the question carefully. If they are asking for total men, you should add the extra men to this 30 and you will have to give the final answer. Here only extra men they are asking for. So totally 100 days, in which 25 days is already over. So the remaining number of days is 75 days. Right? And 20% work is over, so the remaining is 80%, considering 100% as total work. Okay, so yes, how will you do? M1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 by W2. So here men is 30 men into D1 is 25 by work is 20%, right, which is equal to M2 is, we don't know, so we'll keep it as X. D2 is 75 divided by W2 is 80, right. So 0 0 cancelled, 2 4s are 8, then 25, 3s are 75, 3 10s are 30. Again, if you have anything, no. So X is equal to 10 4s are 40 days, 40 men. This is nothing but total number of men, already in which 30 men were present. So 40 minus 30, which is equal to 10 extra men should be added to this 30 men to complete the work on time of 75 days. Clear? Yes. So here is our last and final question. So solve it by yourself. Definitely you can solve it. Okay. A contractor undertakes to build a wall in 15 days. So 15 days. He employs 50 people for the same. So 50 people in 50 days. Let us keep it to be men. Okay. However, after 25 days, he finds that the work is only 40% complete. After 25 days, he found that only 40% of work is complete. Okay. How many more men need to be employed to complete the work in time? Okay. So, men is equal to question mark. Okay. So, how will you do this? Total is 50 days, in which 25 days is already complete. So here it is 25 days. Okay. And 40% of work is completed means remaining is 60%. 100 minus 40 is 60%. Right. Now you can go with M1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 by W2. Yes. Here men is 50 men into D1 is 25 days divided by W1 is 40%, which is equal to M2 is X, D2 is 25 by W2 is 60. Okay. So 0 0 cancel, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 25 and 25 cancel, 2 into 25. So 25 3s are X is equal to 75. So this is the total men required to complete the work in time. Okay. If they ask for how many extra men means already it was 50 men. So 75 minus 50, which is 25 men. Yes. Clear? We have one more subdivision. How many men needed to be employed to complete the work 10 days before time? So 10 days before time means previously it was 25 days remaining, minus 10 days, which is equal to 15 days. So only that change you will have to do. So here days would be 15. Right? So we will rewrite this. Okay, one second. So M1 is 50 men into 25 days by 40 is equal to M2 is X, D2 is 15. Okay. And W2 is 60. So 0 0 cancel, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15, then 2 25, 5 5s are 25. So X is equal to 25 into 5 is 125. This is the total men required to complete the work 10 days before. If they ask for how many extra men means 125 minus 50, which is equal to 75 men. This is what the extra men needed to complete the work 10 days before. Clear? Yes. So I hope you are all clear with the questions discussed today. Yes? So keep practicing, then only you'll have a clear-cut idea of using different methods for different variety of questions. Okay? So thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends, and please do subscribe my channel. So thank you for all the support given. Keep supporting. So thank you.